Welcome back to channel, guys. We're starting today's video by scaling our fish, and we're using a fork because fork scales it better than a knife. Next, you're gonna season our fish. We're using Maggi all-purpose seasoning, Maggi fish seasoning, mixed with our blended natural seasonings. That's scallion, onion, and the like. The seasons of your choice you can use to season your fish. And you can leave your fish overnight to soak to get the season well. Soak into it. And once your oil is ready, get your oil hot, and once that's ready, you can put in your fish to fry. So once one side is brown, you fry the other side until golden brown. So to your frying pan, you're gonna add some oil. The oil to use to fry the fish, a little oil with vinegar, black pepper, and some water. Then we're gonna go into our seasonings: sweet peppers, green peppers, green sweet pepper and red sweet pepper, onions, carrots. I'm gonna let that simmer, cover, and let that simmer for a while. When that is finished, you can pour the mixture over your fish. Smell that? The vinegar gives it that zesty taste, and that is how you fry fish. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you.